Important Chalcolithic sites of India: Chandoli, Daimabad, Inamgaon, Prakash and Maski. UGC NET Anthropology. Welcome to AnthroNet Academy, a study aligned with UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Dear learners, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, AnthroNet Academy, to keep me motivated to create more content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Gift on 1000 subscribers. AnthroNet Academy is excited to announce a special gift for our viewers once we reach 1000 subscribers. Why subscribe? We're bringing you the latest current affairs in anthropology, curated specifically for competitive exams. Stay updated with exam-oriented analysis, expert insights on recent developments, daily/weekly current affairs tailored for anthropology. Special surprise gift awaits all our early supporters once we hit 1K. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, be a part of our growing community, and take your anthropology preparation to the next level. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. AnthroNet Academy, your gateway to anthropology excellence. Introduction. The Chalcolithic Age, Copper Stone Age, in India marks the period when stone tools were used along with copper tools. Major Chalcolithic cultures: Aharbanis culture, Malva culture, Jorwe culture. Important developments: agriculture and animal domestication, permanent village settlements, pottery and copper metallurgy. Important sites discussed: Chandoli, Daimabad, Inamgaon, Prakash, Maski. Chandoli. Location: Maharashtra, Western India. Culture: associated with Jorwe Chalcolithic culture. Important discoveries: houses made of mud walls, red pottery with painted designs, stone blades and copper tools. Evidence of agriculture and animal domestication. Economy: farming and pastoral activities. Exam keywords: Jorwe culture, Chalcolithic settlement, Daimabad. Location: Ahmednagar district, Maharashtra, on the Pravara River. Culture: late Harappan influence plus Jorwe culture. Important discoveries: famous bronze sculptures, chariot with rider, elephant, rhinoceros, buffalo. Other findings: painted pottery, stone tools and copper objects. Significance: one of the largest Chalcolithic settlements in India. Important fact: Daimabad bronze hoard is very famous in Indian archaeology. Inamgaon. Location: Pune district, Maharashtra, on the God River. Culture: major site of Jorwe Chalcolithic culture. Important discoveries: large settlement with planned houses, granaries and storage pits, terracotta figurines. Evidence of irrigation agriculture. Economy: wheat, barley, lentils, cattle, sheep, goats. Exam keywords: largest Jorwe culture site, agricultural economy, Prakash. Location: Chalcolithic district, Maharashtra, on the Tapti River. Culture: Malva culture. Important features: painted pottery with geometric designs, Mud houses. Stone and copper tools. Economy. Agriculture and animal husbandry. Significance. Important Chalcolithic site in Taptai Valley. Maski. Location. Rayachur District, Karnataka. Historical importance. Famous for Ashokan inscription. Prehistoric evidence. Evidence of Neolithic Chalcolithic occupation. Stone tools and early settlements. Significance. Shows continuity from prehistoric to historic period. Important fact. Maski inscription confirmed that Devanampriya refers to Ashoka. Comparison table. Site state culture key feature. Chandoli Maharashtra Jorwe culture painted pottery. Daimabad Maharashtra late Harappan plus Jorwe bronze sculptures. Inamgaon Maharashtra Jorwe culture large settlement. Prakash Maharashtra Malva culture painted pottery. Maski Karnataka Neolithic Chalcolithic Ashokan inscription. Quick MCQ facts. Bronze chariot sculpture rightward arrow Daimabad. Largest Jorwe settlement rightward arrow Inamgaon. Malva culture site in Taptai Valley rightward arrow Prakash. Ashokan inscription confirming Ashoka rightward arrow Maski. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.